Welcome to my channel Information and Tech. In this short tutorial, I will guide you how you can add a search bar in qBittorrent, uTorrent or any torrenting software. As you can see here, I will click on search bar, but there is no search box to search any type of file. So first of all, I will install from here some of Python code in my qBittorrent. As you can see, this installation is started and soon it will be completed. Before this installation, there is no search box to find any type of file. So first of all, I will add the search bar in my qBittorrent, and then I will show you that how you can use this search bar and what is the advantage of this search bar in qBittorrent or any other torrenting software. So this is almost completed setup in progress, and in a short time it will be completed. And as you can see, there is a search bar appear in the top of the menu. So here is a search bar, but it is still not working. As I am click on it, as you can see, there is nothing clickable to search any file. So first of all, I will install here search plugin. So I will click on this, and as you can see, there is no currently available plugin. So first of all, I will click here check for updates, and this will take some of plugin. As you can see, there is some plugin short in my this search plugin menu. So as you can see, this will be added, and as you can see, now it is clickable and I will search anything here. So I will write some file name. As you can see, I have searched it, and there is a list of file is appeared in my search box. So this is a very quick setting to find any type of file from here, and you do not need to search multiple sites, but you can search from here. And also I am searching again some other file, and then I will show you that what is the advantage of this search and how you can filter more specifically to find any file. So I have searched another file. As you can see, here is a history one. I have searched Linux, Sky and Cloud. Here is a different thing, and this menu is very important. As you can see, here you can filter out seeds, limit from size, and then here is other, as you can see, different categories. As you can see, if you want to search any software related query, then you have just to put name of software, and here you have to select type and category, and then here you can see different type of sites that you have to specifically search it, and then here is a size. So this one is one of the important plugin, search plugin in qBittorrent that you can use for your smooth work.